First, we have to convert the mixed number to the improper fraction by multiplying denominator by the whole number, and the result we have to add to the numerator. 5 times 8 is 40. 40 plus 2 is 42 over 5 divided by 2 over 15. Anytime you divide fractions, you have to copy first fraction down. So I have 42 over 5. Division, you have to change to the multiplication and write simply 15 over 2. You have to find the reciprocal of the second fraction. Next, check if you can reduce any numerator with any denominator. Okay? 42 and 2. Both of them are even numbers. We said that even numbers we can reduce always by 2. So that's why I'm going to reduce them by 2. 5 and 15. Anytime you have numbers which end with 5 are divisible by 5. Okay, so I'm going to have 42 divided by 2 is equal to 21. 5 divided by 5 is 1. Times 15 divided by 5 is 3 over 1. Now, I cannot reduce anything else. I'm going to simply multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. 21 times 3 is equal 63 over 1. 63 divided by 1 is simply 63. This is the solution to the problem.